guys, so in the last video we finished molding in Blaine's over fenders, so now we have the rest of the cars to work on. So I'm starting to do the roof, which is kind of a bigger job than I kind of thought it was. Looking here in the reflection now, I can see there's so much dips in it. I don't know what the heck is going on with this car, but somebody probably stood on it and it's so bent, especially in this section right here. We do have a body and tool set that has all the hammers in it, and we were thinking maybe even we could go inside and hit it from the bottom, but I don't really know how to do that, and I don't want to chance cracking the glass because that would be a whole job in itself. So I'm gonna see if I can just add a little bit of body filler over here and see if I can kind of smooth everything out. It shouldn't need too much, but it is a pretty big dip right here, and there is so much waves like all the way on these sides. On the other side, I don't know, but that's what we're working with for the roof. I need to grab my Sharpie because there's so much more places that need to be circled. So right here is another one. I know it's not going to be perfect, but I at least want to get the majority of it out. This actually goes down to like here. You can see in the light that this side, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but this whole side, dip, 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 dip.
Booty too big and you need two pants. Bustin' like you're catching the body and you in G stance. Bustin' like it's casual Friday and you here to dance. Cold love, I know what's up. Can't get enough. Is it bad that I want more? Is it too late for us? Oh baby, long dangerous.
So we went to Harbor Freight to go pick up a couple of supplies. We got this pack of putty spreaders. These are actually super good. I like these because they're a little bit flexible, so it's kind of easier to spread the body filler. But when the Bondo dries on top of here, it doesn't do its job as good, and it kind of leaves streaks inside the filler. So we needed a new pack. We also got a new mixing board, and Blaine taught me this where you just put some blue tape on top, and then whenever you're done using all the body filler and it dries up, you can just peel it right off, and then it's ready to go for the next time. Because when it dries, it's so hard that you need to either sand it down or get a new one. So that's why my board looks like this. I started to do the blue tape thing on this one, but I was in such a rush when we were trying to get my car ready for Week Fest that I kind of just stopped after a while. So we're trying to keep this board good. Alright, so I finished sanding everything down and putting the first layer of body filler on. I think that the putty spatula things worked really good. It was easier to apply than it was to do the over fenders. The only section that kind of really I messed up on is that one right there. This big one, I don't know what the hell happened. It's all super bumpy because I applied it really bad. But other than that, all the other sections came out really good, or pretty good. I'm gonna let everything dry because I do have to go pick up Kaylee in a little bit, but so far so good. This one is actually the best one, I think, out of all of them. Not too bad, but this one right here is pretty good.
Yes, I've been used to being used like this. Ain't no difference, I'm in golden lies. them up, praying they feel better. Like it's different in my business.
I just finished sanding all the body filler down. I did have to add spot putty in a couple of places over here and over there where there were some pinholes, so I'm just gonna let that dry while I go get Kaylee. But this side looks really good. I'm trying to have everything primered today, so that's the goal, is to have the roof primered by the end of the day. So hopefully we can make it happen.
So we're about to finish up this roof right now because me and Kristine are about to head out to dinner. We want to show you guys some love because we noticed that you guys have been jumping in the comment section, liking the videos a lot more lately, and it really, really means the world to us. As smaller creators, it's really, really hard to grow here on YouTube. So when you guys do that, it shows that you guys are supporting us, and we really, really appreciate it. It's cool that we have our own little corner here on YouTube and you guys are part of it. So with that being said, we do know that there's a bunch of new subscribers out there, and we do want to do a Q&A. So if there's anything that you want to know about me, Kristine, our cars, you know, future plans, stuff like that, make sure you guys go ahead and drop them in the comment section below, and we'll go ahead and answer them in the next video. All right, guys, make sure you guys go ahead and like this video, subscribe if you guys haven't already. Let's go finish this roof.
So I just laid down the first coat of primer. I'm gonna wait for it to dry. I'll come back and then sand everything down and do another coat, but it's done, it looks good. We accomplished the goal for today, which is to get the roof primered. So we're gonna clean up early because today is mine and Blaine's wedding anniversary. We've been married for 9 years now, and it's crazy because it didn't even seem like it was that long. So I think that's it for the 240 today. Ready?
Yeah.
Testify for you. I do that 3-4 times a night. Testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all I'm not. Long as you joking now in for me. I ain't got it. My bitch, get into it. I do bodies. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem.
I think the best way to do it is to put the garlic and the cilantro and the green onion inside the sauce.